Hong Kong Science and Technology Parks Corporation aims to be a center of excellence for Chinese medicine. Biotechnology represents an opportunity to reinvigorate Chinese medicine by applying evidence-based scientific techniques and methodologies to this age-old medical practice. Hong Kong Science Park supports the research and development efforts of companies wanting to capture the business potential of Chinese medicine. Albert Wong believes modernization of Chinese medicine is key to its success today.
In the past 5 years, Chinese medicines as an industry has been moving forward by leaps and bounds. And they have been moving forward by about 20% per year, which is better than any medical or pharmaceutical components of the medicinal side.
Professor Cheng of the Hong Kong Institute of Biotechnology believes Hong Kong has what it takes to become the capital of Chinese medicine.
Look at Hong Kong. I mean, it's really a meeting place between West and the East. If you look at the medicine field, basically Hong Kong is practicing Western medicine, okay? But the people are here, majority Chinese people, and therefore many people believe Chinese medicine as well. So I think Hong Kong is really the best place, if you ask me, to develop Chinese medicine, but on a scientific basis, on an evidence basis, on a quality basis.
This scientific approach to Chinese medicine is facilitated by the laboratories at Hong Kong Science Park. Abraham Chan of Puripharm believes the development of Chinese medicine is very similar to that of other pharmaceuticals.
You know, we have to find out what's actually active in the herbs. And in that you have to do sort of like a drug discovery route. You know, you have to do a lot of mechanistic study, you have to do a lot of analytical chemistry. And that's one of the reasons why we want to move into Science Park, you know, and because that's exactly where all these activities are, you know.
One of these activities at Hong Kong Science Park is product commercialization, often achieved in collaboration with Hong Kong's research institutes. Crystal Sin of Chinese Pharmaceuticals.
For example, we want to check the efficacy of not ginseng, so we give this request to the Baptist University, and they will conduct a research for us and in testing the efficacy.
Modernization is increasingly important in commercializing Chinese medicine products. Abraham Chan.
We have successfully converted that one fungus, actually, which is a traditional medicine in the Chinese pharmacopoeia, into a modernized forms of capsules, which is very effective in mitigating the side effects of cancer patients. And we have, through this product, obtained, I think, about 10, 15 patents, you know, all over the world.
Patents are also important for Herb Miners, a partner company at Hong Kong Science Park supporting the modernization of Chinese medicine. Herb Miners has 2 patents pending for its pharmacy software that applies data mining to the Chinese pharmacopoeia. Wilfred Lin.
The first one, the ontological information retrieval system, we developed to organize the informations of the Chinese medicine in the diagnosis and also in the prescriptions. And also we applying another patent, that is the artificial neural network techniques.
The industry can draw from a rich pool of talent. Crystal Sin.
There are the 3 universities providing full-time degree courses on Chinese medicine. So I think the local education institutions can already provide a rich pool of high-caliber professionals to fill our posts. And also I think Hong Kong, the government, it's been very supportive.
Hong Kong Science Park and the Chinese medicine communities are collaborating to foster closer trade ties with China and expand the market for Chinese medicine. Abraham Chan.
Once we can get some sort of a cooperation treaty with China, we suddenly was going to have a 1.3 billion people market, which is even bigger than EU, you know. And it's going to pose a lot of, it's going to create a lot of opportunities, potentials for biotech companies, for technologies companies.
Hong Kong Science and Technology Parks Corporation has a lot to offer companies aiming to capture the future of Chinese medicine.
There's a great future in upgrading Chinese medicine in such a way that is acceptable universally.